Our Proactive Scar Repair Cream is absolutely one of a kind. The only scar repair formula available on the marketplace to have 6 different active ingredients that are all working synergistically together to repair that scar tissue. I mean, how incredible is that? So the different types of scars you could use it on is a surgical scar, but perhaps, so you might have hurt yourself or scratched yourself. So I have a little scratch here on my forearm, okay? And all you do very simply is you take a tiny bit of scar repair, and the whole idea with this is to rub it into the skin. So don't just apply, you want to rub to cause stimulation to the area, okay? You'll apply it twice a day, rub it into the skin, and then other times when you're going to use scar repair, if you've got post-acne scarring, or if you've done collagen induction therapy or microneedling. So again, I'll show you how to apply it. Little blob of product in between your hands. If you've done microneedling on your whole face, you're simply going to do that. Apply the product all over, face, neck, and even décolleté, okay? All over, all over, all over. Now, if you have acne scarring, so this is where I want to show you a little bit of a different tip on how to apply it. You're only going to, same, little bit of product, rub it between your fingers, and let's say the acne scarring is here, you're going to do rotary massage movements on the scars. So if I had acne scarring there, that is simply how I would be using this product. Nice massage movements. The reason for that is to stimulate blood circulation, make all those white blood cells rush to the area, and promote healing. Okay, so very simply. And remember, with surgical scars, you're going to rub it into the skin, and you can also apply this product over micropore tape. So that's to a fresh surgical type of scar. Easy, right? All done.